Are you struggling to find the package name or application ID in your Gradle build script? You're not alone. This is a common hurdle for many developers transitioning from Ant to Gradle. Today, we will solve this puzzle together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be to switch build systems and feel lost. Many developers have faced this challenge, and it can really slow down your workflow. But don't worry, we will get through this together. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I get the package name or application ID in my Gradle build script? This is a crucial piece of information for any Android project, and it's essential to know how to retrieve it. So why is this important? The package name or application ID uniquely identifies your app on the Google Play Store and is essential for various configurations. Understanding how to access it in Gradle will streamline your development process. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that can save you time in your future projects. To get the package name or application ID in a Gradle build script, the user should first locate the build.gradle file for their application module. This file contains the configuration for the app. Next, the user needs to find the default config block within the build.gradle file. This block contains important settings for the application, including the application ID. To access the application ID programmatically, the user can reference it in their code. They can use the build config class, which automatically generates fields based on the build configuration. Finally, if the user wants to print the application ID during the build process, they can add a simple print statement in the build.gradle file. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android app ever created was a simple version of the game Snake? Look how far we've come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the after evaluate block in your Gradle script. They suggest accessing the application ID by iterating through application variants and combining the merged flavors application ID with the build type suffix. Additionally, you can define your application ID in a separate Gradle file. This allows you to set a default application ID and use it across different Gradle scripts. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach shared by another user is to access the application ID in your Gradle build script using specific properties. You can use either the expression Android default config.applicationID or Android.namespace. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always document your package names and application IDs in your project notes. This will save you time when you need to reference them later. And there you have it. You now know how to find the package name or application ID in your Gradle build script. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your development skills.